Welcome. It's Tax Tip Tuesday with me, Christine Walters, on March 21st. Don't mind my scratchy little voice. I got a little bit of a throat thing happening. So today's tax tip topic is why is accurate bookkeeping so important? So having a thorough understanding of accurate bookkeeping will assist you in making informed decisions about your business and about things like when to hire a bookkeeping service or if you should still keep doing the bookkeeping yourself. One of the advantages of using a real-time online bookkeeping, such as a program like QuickBooks Online, is that you track your businesses and your personal, if you so desire to, but your business's money as it comes in and it leaves your various accounts, so your bank accounts, your credit card accounts, whatever accounts that you're using. So ensuring that you have an accurate system for bookkeeping provides many advantages, whether or not you choose to invest in having a bookkeeping service help you or doing it yourself to save the few dollars. So in order for businesses to know exactly how they are spending their money and what value their purchases are bringing to their business, they must have that detailed money trail, which is what we get with the income statement and the balance sheet as a result of the accurate bookkeeping in whatever program you happen to be using. So the accurate use of bookkeeping enables business owners and their managers to make informed decisions about investing and or planning for capital purchases at any time because they have up-to-date, accurate information. It's not like it was even 10 years ago where you had to wait till the end of the month to get your bank statement to make sure that everything went where it was supposed to go and everything that came in went where it was supposed to go. We live in a very much more immediate time frame right now, and the same can apply to your bookkeeping. So in addition, having accurate bookkeeping helps us tax professionals deliver a complete tax return to CRA. It reduces the risk of you as the taxpayer or the business owner being audited, and it eliminates the need for us to file amended tax returns, thereby eliminating more fees and penalties potentially if you had overstated or understated income. So accurate bookkeeping entails collecting and storing all of your expense receipts. So you can either do that manually, bin box, put all your paper receipts in there, whatnot. You could do it digitally with your computer, storing it in Google Drive, Dropbox, whatever, OneDrive. Or like I mentioned earlier, if you use a platform like QuickBooks Online, there's the ability to send your receipts directly there and use that as a digital storage platform. So in addition, accurate bookkeeping ensures that your payroll data is, if it's applicable to your business, if you have any employees or subcontractors, it lets you keep track of all of that and make sure that your T4s and other tax slip filings that you're doing for your contractors are correct. I often see, in fact, I was talking to somebody this morning, there was a $500 discrepancy between her T4A and what she had a record of getting payments. We, after a little bit of discussion, quickly sorted it out, figured it out, but that's one of the things that having an accurate bookkeeping system can help you eliminate. In addition to that, accurate bookkeeping systems allows you to keep track of receiving payments from your clients and tracking any outstanding invoices of those people who haven't paid you yet. And then same thing on the flip side, if you're a little bit bigger of a business, allows you to keep track of who you owe money to and when you're making payment to them. So in addition to streamlining business processes, that whole finance aspect of the business side of things, and lowering your cost of doing business, accurate bookkeeping makes it very easy to generate useful financial reports when you need them. So every once in a while, I have a client who comes and asks me, they're trying to get a loan or something from the bank, and they need the financial statements. So when we're using a program like QuickBooks Online or whatever it happens to be, having that immediate, up-to-date, real-time, accurate information allows us to prepare and give those financial statements right away, or right away-ish, depending on the time of year and whatnot. So for small businesses, having a poorly managed accounting system can lead to a financial disaster. There's so many times that I see new clients come in, they don't understand all the ins and the outs and all of this. They just have a massive paper explosion, so to speak, which it's a disaster on many fronts, and the largest one being that it hits the taxpayer's pocketbook because, or their wallet, because we as tax professionals have to touch all those little pieces of paper to get everything where it needs to be to balance everything out. So I urge you to consider all of these things when deciding whether to hire a bookkeeping service or to do it yourself, or going with an online platform like QuickBooks Online using the assistance of a tax professional such as myself. Your tax professional should always be on your side, trying to help you figure out the best way to save even more money. And yeah, so that's it for Tax Tips Tuesday this week with me, Christine Walters. I hope you come back next week for another tip. As well, if you are interested, I am hosting a free online webinar tomorrow night, Wednesday, March 22nd at 6 or 6:30. Sorry, I don't know the time off the top of my head. So feel free to check out my profile for the link to sign up for that, and you can have some of your tax questions answered and maybe some of your tax knowledge broadened a little bit. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow night at my online webinar, the free